Hi, today we'll be looking into the visitors or school visitors feature. Now this feature is available in the receptionist section. Now there are times when people come into the school to meet a staff member or a student. Now this feature will help us keep a record of all those people. Now there are two types of entries that can be made with the help of this feature. Now the first one is the add visitor option right here, or you can call it a reception or manual entry. When we click on this button, we are presented with this. Now first off, we can enter the name of the person who is trying to meet someone in the school. Now for example, let's just say the name is Gurpreet Singh. Okay, then we will enter a mobile number. Let's just go with 55555 55555. Okay, now for the address, let's just go with ABC Street, Patiala, Punjab. So that would be the address. Now we can either select a student or a staff member depending on who they're trying to reach or meet. So let's just go with the student for this one, and then we'll enter a name for the student. Let's go with Divjot Kaur. Okay, and now we'll be entering the details for the teacher or the student, which is a student in this case. So let's just say class 10th A. Okay, now reason for the meeting, let's just say they forgot their lunch. And we'll click on this button right here which says add, and success, the visitor is added. Now the second way involves downloading the QR code. Now with the help of this functionality, we can get the details of a person without letting them in to the school. So let's just get through this. First off, we have to click this button right here which says download QR code. Okay, and then we'll click on save. Okay, then we can click on this folder right here which states show in folder. Okay, so I already had downloaded one of them, so now there are two. So now what we have to do is print this QR code on a piece of paper and put it on the gate of the school. Now what will happen when they scan this code with their phone? Let's just get to a phone and see. Okay, so after scanning the QR code which is put on the gate of the school, the visitor will land on this page. Let's just enter a name right here. Let's just go with Gurneet this time. And let the mobile number be 44444 44444. Okay, let the address be PQR Street 2, Ludhiana. Like that. Okay, now the person can also meet a staff member. Let's go with staff member this time. And then there are categories to choose from like accountants, bookkeepers, fee department, principal, receptionist and such. So let's just go with Sukhminder Singh from the transport department. And reason for meeting, just because we selected the transport department. Problem with scooter. Okay. And then the person who is visiting can upload a selfie of themselves by clicking on this capture image button right here. Allow this time. And now I've covered the camera on my mobile phone, but the person who is a visitor can take a selfie by clicking on the take photo button. And then they have to click the add button. SchoolDeeds.com says visitor is added. Click on OK and again OK. Okay, so now we are back into the computer. So we are seeing from the receptionist's point of view. So the new entry is not showing up, though the last one is Gurpreet Singh is showing up here. We have to click this reload button. Okay, there we go. Now there is a person called Gurneet and their phone number and who they want to meet and all of that. And we can click on this eye icon right here to view the whole thing. Then we can see the selfie, all the details, just like that. And if we back out of here, we can see the same details for Gurpreet Singh by clicking on the eye icon, just like that. So now that the person has gotten the details remotely while sitting on their desk, the person did not even have to enter into the school Now, the receptionist can decide after checking the record if they want to permit them into the school or not. So the receptionist can then make a decision and tell the gatekeeper by calling them if they want to let the person in or not. Now, a key thing to remember here is that all the entries can be deleted within the same day and not after that. As you can see, the entries which I've just added, they can be deleted. So the red button right here which says delete visitor is available. But for all the old entries, it is not available. So all the entries that are made or all the visitors that are added can be deleted on the same day only and not after that. Thank you.